Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. This is going to be a brief video. I'd just like to hear your opinion on something. A lot of you know that I have sold some firewood. A lot of you can put things together when you see all the empty spaces. We didn't burn that much. We burn a lot. We burn a lot of firewood, but not all of it. So a lot of you know I do have a website. And I have a new YouTube channel. I haven't done anything with it, but I locked it in so that other people can't take it. So I do have a YouTube channel, Country Wood Products, and I want your opinion. Should I use it? Should I make videos of processing firewood regularly? Because this is where I spend my time right now. Most of my daily hours are spent here. The past 2 weeks I've spent on security, improving our perimeters, and that was something unusual, exceptional, and isn't going to happen. Hopefully not anymore. When I'm satisfied at the level I'm going to have, and I'm close, then I won't have to worry about anything anymore at all, except for attacks from above, which I can't prevent. But anyway, the question is, how many of you would be interested in seeing firewood processing videos, going out into the woods and harvesting trees, going out on a job site and cleaning out some properties, and all the things associated with that, splitting firewood, stacking it, talking about the time and the labor, what's involved in it, you know, in more detail, but on a more daily basis. My main channel now, I'm working on solar powered battery banks. It's colder, and if I'm not processing firewood, I probably won't be doing a lot out here except for shoveling snow, cleaning off solar panels, reviewing some really good gloves, keep me warm. That's coming up. Beyond that though, I won't be doing much out here with the sawmill being wrecked for now. That's on a side burner. There's not much else going on but firewood videos outdoors, but I'm going to be doing some really cool natural bread recipes, grinding my own greens, making my own soaps again, and expanding my solar power battery banks. So that's going to be on the main channel. That's coming up. More of the stuff that you really love, the stuff that you guys join me for. So let me know your opinion. Really thinking about it, but none of that matters without you, the viewer. So tell me your thoughts, guys. And I'm going to get back in where it's colder and get myself bundled up better before I start my work for the day. Let's see you on YouTube.